If you're wanting to put a trailer hitch on your 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL body, I've got some information that you need to know. Welcome back. My name is Brandon Haneline here with Jeep Informant, and today I'm going to be going over the in-depth process of installing a trailer hitch and 7-pin wiring on the 2018 Jeep Wrangler, and why you might want to buy one with it already factory installed. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. And if you like this kind of information, click the bell icon. Also, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Alright guys, so what you need to know off the bat is what this video is for. This video is for two people. It is for a consumer that has already purchased a Jeep 2018 Wrangler JL that does not have a trailer hitch and is looking to install one. And it's also for the consumer that is looking to purchase a Jeep and trying to decide if he wants to add it on later or purchase the vehicle with the trailer hitch already factory installed. Okay guys, the first thing you need to know is that this is a Mopar factory installation kit, okay? Here is the part number for the trailer hitch and hardware, and here is the part number for all of the wiring. Now, if you do purchase the Mopar trailer hitch installation kit, it can be added to your sales codes so that you'll have a full 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on the hitch and wiring. I'll explain how to add this to your basic warranty in just a few minutes, so make sure you keep watching. Alright, I've been flipping through the pages of the wiring installation guide, and as you can see already, this is very complex. I mean, we're adding terminals to connectors, we're taking terminals out of connectors. Now that definitely does not look simple, but on the other hand, the hitch itself looks to be like there's only 4 bolts that hold it on. So there's 2 existing bolts that have to be removed, so you definitely would have to remove the bumper to put the actual hitch itself on. Now if you don't need wiring and you just need the hitch receiver, this is not that big of a deal, it's pretty easy. The wiring is where it gets complicated, so here we go. Alright guys, so to put in this trailer hitch wiring, Chrysler is wanting you to run it all the way from the front to the back, not underneath the vehicle, inside the vehicle. So as you can see here, we've got all the panels taken off on the inside of this Jeep on the right side and in the back. Guys, if you don't want this done to your brand new Jeep, then you might want to go ahead and purchase the vehicle with the trailer hitch installed. I mean, who wants their brand new Jeep with 20 miles on it with every one of the panels taken off in the back, before you even take ownership of it? So it kind of, makes me a little uncomfortable, doing this to, a brand new car, wires coming out everywhere. You even have to remove the right front fender liner to gain access to the power distribution center. Oh, hey look, I just saw that little side grill thing. Hey, in a previous video I talk about that and show you how it dissipates heat from the engine. Make sure you click that link in the top right corner if you want to see it. Now, as you can see, the bumper's removed and the receiver hitch has been installed and the wiring is running across the trailer hitch itself with the special little push pin zip tie looking things. I think what I'm really trying to say here, guys, is if you're going to get a trailer hitch, get the trailer hitch with it already installed from the factory. If you have to add it, like this right here, your brand new car's being stripped from the inside out, wires being run all over the place, and you're just taking a chance of having a future problem down the road. Now, I know if it's done right, then you shouldn't have an issue, and it probably will be done right. It's just, there's just something about a brand new car with less than 20 miles on it being torn apart from the inside out and then put back together. Now, if you do have to have the trailer hitch and wiring installed after you purchase the vehicle, make sure that your dealership actually adds the sales codes to your vehicle options, AHX and XFH. This will allow the vehicle to have the basic warranty, 3-year, 36,000 miles on your parts that you just purchased and had installed. So for any reason, if you were to have an issue with it, it would be covered under the basic warranty of the vehicle. Well guys, that's a wrap, and I appreciate you watching. I hope this helps you make any decisions that you have for your trailer hitch and wiring. So I hope you're smarter now than you were before, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.